The CHAUVET DJ Obey 70 DMX controller offers generous channel capacity, making it a solid hub for medium to fairly complex lighting rigs in small venues and mobile setups. With support for multiple intelligent fixtures and detailed scene storage, it lets you build repeatable looks for bands, DJs, and theater without constantly reprogramming from scratch. The controller includes chase sequencing with adjustable fade and speed, so you can move smoothly between static scenes or create energetic movement that follows the mood of the show. Dedicated buttons for effects like fog and strobe, along with an assignable joystick, make live tweaks feel immediate and hands-on, rather than buried in menus. Its rack-mountable design and sturdy construction suit touring use, yet the layout is clear enough that newer users can grow into more advanced programming. Compatibility with standard control protocols, including remote triggering, gives it flexibility to integrate into existing lighting setups and workflows.